Hi guys, good morning. Today we are going to be looking into this week's folder, which is week of March 7th through 10th. So if you go down to that folder, which is the green one, you will need to go into your argument writing reflection today. So go ahead and click that, and you will need to open it up all the way. When you open it, it will look like this. So what you'll need to do is go in to Power School because you'll need to look at the grade that you received for your most recent argumentative essay. And what you're going to do, you'll receive 3 scores for this essay: argumentative writing, language, which is the grammar, and then text evidence, which is part of the reading strand. So argument is W 7.1. Okay, grammar I think is language 7.1. I think they're all 7.1 here. And text evidence is RL 7.1. Okay, so you'll need to put if you got a 4, 3, 2, or 1 and insert that there. And then what you'll need to do is use language from the rubric itself. Now, I've attached the rubric to the bottom of your essay that you shared with me and what your score was. So you can actually just use that, or you can refer to this link. And what you're going to do for each section that you were graded on is write a glow, a grow, and a barrier. So glow, what are you most proud of in the section of the argument that you were graded on? What do you think you did the best on? Then grow is going to be, what do you think was the most challenging aspect of writing the argument? And remember, the argument section is more so focused on your counterclaim and rebuttal. And then the barrier. So is there something while you were writing this essay in the argument section that was holding you back? Maybe it was your effort. Maybe it was a missing skill. Maybe it was a missing link to help you understand something and explain what that was. Then you'll do the same thing for text evidence. And I didn't have you do that for the grammar portion. Okay. The next steps are going to be student steps. So what do you need to do if you had a score of, let's say, a 2 or a 1, for instance? What do you need to take for your next steps to continue to grow in this area? If you had a 4 or a 3, okay, you still have growth areas, right? You can still receive a 4 for exemplary, but still have an area that you feel like you need to grow in, because a 4 does not mean that your work was perfect. It does mean it was exemplary, but it doesn't mean it's perfect in any means. So what do you want to continue to glow in or work towards? Then the teacher steps are, what do you need from me in order to continue to succeed in any of these areas of your writing? Okay, so these should not be just one sentence responses. You need to take your time and complete this. So this will be due for tomorrow when we all meet on Wednesday, because I'm going to need to check in with all of you. So that is today's lesson. And then I will make a second video to show you what you're going to be doing for Wednesday and Thursday.